Welcome back, everybody. Quick update while it's still draining. I ordered some new injectors. As you can see, I'm putting them in. Here are the old ones right there. A couple of them look pretty rough. Then one thing you got to watch out for too, if you go to replace your injectors, you'll see these little plastic caps, O-rings as well, but right here you'll see this was stuck down in the manifold. Two of them ended up like that, you know, these two here, or you got to watch out. You got to get that out, as well as the O-rings too. As you can see, they sit like this, so this is the top. These O-rings tend to stick in the fuel rail, and you definitely got to get those out, otherwise you're going to have one heck of a bomb on your hands. But getting her done, as you can tell. Put two new O2 sensors in, and then I replaced the fuel filter as well. The gas coming out of the fuel filter was pretty much black. It was pretty disgusting. And funny thing is, I noticed immediately when I fired it up after that, it did run better. You know, and I could also tell that the pump did not seem like it was struggling as hard as it was prior to the fuel filter. So, you know, this is my swan song here, buddy. We'll see what happens. Hopefully this fixes the issue. I had to get a drink. Right now it's I think 91 with 98% humidity, so I'm dying out here, needless to say. I'm literally soaked. But yeah, so I'll keep everybody posted. Still doing stuff. You know, I would say if you're looking to buy one of these though, for sure replace the fuel filter no matter what. They're very simple. They just have two plastic clips. You take the plastic clips out, pop the hoses off, slip the new one in, and you're done. It's very easy. It takes like 5 minutes. You know, at least they made that easy on this car, which is nice. Well, yeah, getting there, boys, getting there. Another thing too, this is the stock tube, obviously, and I have a 70mm throttle body on there that will actually fit on the 70mm. You need a little flathead screwdriver that'll kind of guide it around when you go to put it on, but you can get it on. It fits perfect like a glove once you actually get it on there. It's not very hard. 75 though, I don't know if it would fit 75. I don't have one to test, but judging from how tight the 70 is, I'm not so sure it would fit the 75. You know, but hopefully this cures my issues. You know, like I said, I had number 1 and 2 running cooler than all the rest, and then I also noticed number 5 as well. It wasn't as bad as the first 1 and 2, but 5 was a little questionable also. But with new injectors, I mean, this should tell me what the deal is now. You know, so we'll see what happens. My fingers are crossed, I'll tell you. One of these days I'm going to count up all the receipts, probably cry. You know, I mean, luckily it's an older car though, so I mean, everything really, technically speaking, is cheap compared to a lot of the newer and foreign stuff. So, you know, that's one awesome thing. But I just wanted to give everybody an update again on my problem child. You know, my cat found his new bed. Usually likes to hang out with me while I'm fixing the cars. Must be a little worn out. Yeah, that's my buddy. Hey, buddy. Hi. Yeah. Yeah, you got a new bed? Yeah. You can't sleep there long, though. Alright, guys. I appreciate you watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. and let me know what you think. Hopefully I'll get this thing fixed. You know, I'm hoping. Fingers are crossed, man. I'll be so excited if I hit the key and it runs normal. Oh man, whew. You know, I'm beginning to wonder that the guy who owned it for 25 years, if he had these problems 25 years ago, you know, which I'm beginning to think that he did, which that's okay. That is what it is. Could have said something though. I would have still bought the car regardless, you know. But all right, you guys take care. I'll see you on the next one. See you.